Welcome to Succeed Today. Today, we're stepping into the quantum world, a world where the rules of classical physics break down and reality behaves in truly bizarre ways. Don't worry, though. We're here to make these mind-bending concepts simple and relatable. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of superposition, entanglement, and the wave-particle duality, plus you'll see how quantum science affects our everyday lives. Let's get started. Imagine flipping a coin. You expect it to land on heads or tails, right? But in the quantum world, particles don't behave like that. Instead of being one or the other, they can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. Think of Schrödinger's cat, a famous thought experiment. The cat is both alive and dead until you observe it. That's superposition in action. At the microscopic level, electrons, photons, and other particles exist in this strange state of possibility until they're measured. But this isn't just theoretical. Superposition is the principle behind quantum computers, which can process vast amounts of information simultaneously. Traditional computers rely on binary bits, either 0 or 1, but quantum bits, qubits, can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations exponentially faster than regular computers. Superposition might be weird, but quantum entanglement takes things to a whole new level. Imagine you have two particles that become entangled, meaning their states are linked no matter how far apart they are. If you measure one particle, the other instantly takes on a corresponding state. This happens faster than the speed of light, something even Einstein found unsettling. He famously called it spooky action at a distance. So, why does this matter? Entanglement is key to developing quantum encryption and quantum networks. It ensures that data can be transmitted securely and instantaneously over great distances. This has huge implications for cybersecurity and global communication in the future. Next up is the wave-particle duality, a concept that challenges everything we thought we knew about light and matter. Depending on how you observe it, light can behave like a wave, spreading out and interfering with itself, or like a particle, hitting a detector one photon at a time. It's as if light has a split personality. This discovery came from experiments like the double-slit experiment, which revealed that simply observing a particle can change its behavior. This mind-bending insight forces us to rethink how reality operates at a fundamental level. But this dual nature of light is crucial to technology. Without it, we wouldn't have lasers, fiber optics, or even smartphones. The very screens you're watching this on rely on quantum mechanics to function. Quantum mechanics may sound distant and abstract, but it's all around us. Consider GPS technology. Satellites use precise atomic clocks that depend on quantum principles to keep accurate time. Without quantum mechanics, your phone's GPS would quickly become unreliable. Another example is medical imaging. Quantum principles allow MRI machines to create detailed images of your body by manipulating atoms at the quantum level. And that's just the beginning. Quantum science underpins countless innovations in energy, transportation, and materials science. So, where does this leave us? Scientists are still unlocking the full potential of quantum technology. We're on the brink of breakthroughs in quantum computing, which could revolutionize industries from healthcare to finance. Imagine simulations that can predict how drugs will interact with the human body, or financial models that can analyze markets with unprecedented accuracy. Quantum mechanics is also pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence and encryption, creating systems that are faster, more secure, and capable of learning in ways we've only dreamed of. So, what do you think? Does quantum mechanics make your head spin or fill you with wonder? Have you experienced technology that's powered by quantum principles without even realizing it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're loving these beginner-friendly science deep dives, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching Succeed Today, where we bring the weird and wonderful world of science straight to you. Stay curious.